tell me what am I supposed to do? 'Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got an internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. What if we...
So, hey guys, I just finished first long exam in PI10. Punta ko ngayon sa Shell Library to get my sticker sa ID validation. And so, hello everyone, I'm off to campus. And I have an exam sa major ko. Pero ito, outfit na. So this is my outfit. Yeah, I'm on my way. Actually, our exam is 2 PM pa, pero pupunta na ako dun. Kasi super init sa dorm. Eh, yung exam room namin dun, yung lecture room namin, may aircon. So, tatambay na tayo dun and para ma-condition na natin yung self natin before exam. So, yun lang.
I don't care what you do. Wait, who the hell are you? I'm trying to take it day by day. Sick of passing through the pages on the internet. Leave my face on it, am I real?
Hey guys, good morning. It's currently 6:46 and I'm headed off to the campus because I have a 7 AM lab class. Ito our puto.
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops tap dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth. 'Cause I can stay inside and step away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and step away inside. Oh, take today, oh, dancing in the rain. Hey, woo, oh, na 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 na, woo, oh, oh, na 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 na, woo, oh, na 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 na, woo, na na na, woo, na na na. When I was a little child, I naturally would see magic in the world around me.
So hey guys, I'm off to school. It's currently, I think it's 6:40 and yeah, I have one class today and lab siya kaya kailangan talaga face to face.
On the roof. dress. I don't care today what the neighbors might say. Put on my rain boots, my favorite.
Everyone, it's currently 12:47 and I am still here sa dorm because ayun, I just finished getting ready. Ang init na agad, guys. So ayun, I just finished getting ready. Actually, ang happy pa ang class today. Mamaya pa siyang 2 p.m. pero pupunta na ako ngayon sa campus because I'll be attending a seminar. Super init talaga. I'll be attending a seminar at the Umali Hall. Yan, this is my fit. Just a red tube top then. Hinipit ko yung hair ko. Kasi super init, guys. And ayokong maglugay lang. So, ayan. So, andito.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light. Feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as the years go by. It's easier to love, oh, oh. Easier to love, oh, oh. There's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away. And the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light.
Hello guys, good morning. I'm here at campus right now because I'll be submitting a document dito sa college ko.